quick video today of a couple different things. Installing a 250-foot sidewalk from the garage just to my left over and down to the outdoor fire pit patio behind the mini excavator there. While we're doing that, we're installing a sprinkler system on the property. So we have the water lines sticking up right there. Have the forms in. Installed a retaining wall in the background there. Second retaining wall right here off the stem wall. There's the garage. Pause it and I'll give you a bird's eye view. Bird's eye view. Jack is just tying in the remaining part of the sidewalk, flaring that out. We have irrigation piping going underneath right there, over to valve box off to the right. Then that irrigation line, kind of a bird's eye view here of the project. Irrigation line actually goes underneath the other sidewalk and over to another valve box. And getting ready to pour a stamped stained sidewalk, 5 feet wide all the way down. And have the retaining walls built, irrigation system. Thanks so much for checking it out.